Ready to ditch the credit card shuffle and pay with Venmo on TikTok Shop? Let's get you set up. First, tap that tempting shop now or buy now button on the product that's caught your eye. Now, adjust the quantity if you want more than one, and make sure you've picked the right color or size, all those important details. Alright, double check everything looks good, then hit that buy now button one more time. Okay, you're at the checkout page. Look for payment options. You might need to tap a button that says something like more payment options or payment methods. There it is, select Venmo from the list of payment methods. TikTok will now either redirect you to the Venmo app or ask you to log into your Venmo account directly. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the payment. Give Venmo the green light to complete the purchase. Once you approve, TikTok Shop will process your order. And you're done. You'll see an order confirmation on TikTok. Now, just sit back, relax, and wait for your goodies to arrive.